Don't use cheap replacement batteries for the Charge 4 because they aren't working. The battery from the original batteries are coated with this PCB. So you need to use this PCB, add 3 new cells on it. But I still got the problem that this one won't charge without every reset. I tested, nothing is working, the battery won't charge, but when the batteries are charged, the speaker is functioning very well. Therefore I bought on AliExpress just a 1S charger which I can charge with USB power. This one has 1.5 amperes, so to charge the battery I connect them directly to the positive and the negative of the battery, and I have to find a way to assemble everything and put this board perhaps in this position that I can charge it. I drill some holes into this place so I can put back my S1 charge device in this place. I'm going to glue the battery a little bit because everything must be stuck, otherwise you have a lot of resonance noises. So we're going to glue the battery a little bit more so that everything is fixed on the right position. Add some glue to the battery so it's now completely fixed. Now it's time to close this cover. It is completely. Now I have to fix this position, and then I'm gonna solder back this one, and then our speaker is as good as new, except you have to charge it like this way. So the PCB is soldered to the Charge 4. Now if you put some power on it, and it's charging, but on the charge itself you don't see anything that it's charging. And even the benefits what you have now, you can even use it while it's charging. It was not possible before. As you see, you can still use it and you can charge the battery in meantime. So this is a feature that you didn't have before, and now it's working very funny. And this part I cut it off with a knife. With this knife, cut it here. Now this goes like this. You have a little more space and nobody sees. It's almost like new. My Charge 4, no, chargeable while playing, so